In this Tabular Bits, we're going to show you how to drop and restore Iceberg tables using Tabular. First, we want to get to where the tables are, so we select the warehouse, in our case MyCorp. As an aside, you can get some quick cloud information for the warehouse with a mouse hover on it. Now we select our database. Here we are using SMG. We get some nice summary data at the top. This database has 23 tables. And we're going to select User Data 1 to show how to delete it. Initially, we see the table overview information, but we want to go to Settings to get to the Delete option. The Drop Table option is at the bottom of the list of settings, just to make it even less likely to do it by mistake. So let's go ahead and drop this table. Type Delete to confirm. Oh! Even with all the safeguards, we still deleted the wrong table. We meant to drop User Data 1, not User Dat 1. So how do we recover? Lucky for us, Tabular maintains drop tables for 7 days, which gives you an opportunity to recover. We select the 3-dot menu and restore drop tables. Here we see the drop tables available to recover. If the list is long, you might have trouble finding what you want, so search is available here as well. But we can see our table, UserDat1, at the top of the list, so let's click on Restore. Now confirm. And just like that, we see our table back in the list of available tables for our database. We just saw how simple it is to drop Iceberg tables in Tabular, as well as recover them when needed. Visit our website to find out more.